an Apple computer.
Is this everything?
Startup.
I think we should start with around 90 grand. Could you repeat that? If you'll have me aboard.
Securing funding is the lifeblood of a startup's journey. Without it, even the most innovative ideas risk fading into obscurity. Entrepreneurs often face a ton of challenges, from skeptical investors to complex regulations, yet it's these very hurdles that can refine your business's vision. Navigate them effectively and they become milestones in your success story. Stick around and together we'll unravel the secrets to successfully funding your next venture. And of course, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and never miss one of our next episodes. Now let's get into the different types of funding. Bootstrapping is often where the adventure begins. By self-funding, you maintain full control of your business's destiny. Think of entrepreneurs who initiate their dreams in garages or basements using personal savings to grow. For instance, global giants like Apple and Hewlett-Packard began their journeys through bootstrapping. Yet, it does come with its own set of risks. Every decision carries the echoes of personal stakes, making each success and setback more impactful. But as your startup matures, introducing external stakeholders can be an enticing route. Enter angel investors. Think of them as benefactors, like Peter Thiel's early investment in Facebook. These are individuals who provide capital in exchange for convertible debt or ownership equity. They don't just bring money. They often offer industry expertise, mentorship, and access to their valuable network. But remember, with external funding comes the need for alignment. Your vision and their expectations must walk hand in hand. They're not just investing in the business, they're investing in you. Then there's venture capital, which knocks when scalability is on the horizon. Think of companies like Uber or Airbnb, which skyrocketed with the aid of venture capital. These institutional funds aim for high returns, investing in startups that showcase significant growth potential. The allure for substantial capital is undeniable. However, this isn't free money. Venture capitalists seek equity, often bringing along board seats that come with influence over a company's decisions, steering the direction normally towards maximized returns, which isn't always in line with the founder's vision.
I sat in a garage with Wozniak and invented the future because artists lead and hacks ask for a show of hands.
All right, well, this guy's out of control. I'm perfectly willing to hand in my resignation tonight, but if you want me to stay, you can't have Steve. Settle him out. He can keep a share of stock so he gets our newsletter. He'll have to sever his connection to Apple. I'm dead serious. I want the secretary to call for a vote.
Dare you.
But the dance of startup funding doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. The path of funding is lined with potential pitfalls, but none as daunting as the pitch itself. The moment of truth where dreams and data meld, vying for investors' trust and their wallet. An impactful pitch is your compass. Think of pitch decks as a visual narrative illuminating your startup story. Begin with the problem you're addressing and swiftly follow with your solution. Investors want clarity, so give it to them. Make sure to include market size, business model, and a competitive analysis. These elements anchor your claims, making them tangible. And don't forget the financial projection. They serve as a testament to your foresight and grounding in reality. But a pitch is more than a deck. It's about the audience in the room. Tailor your pitch to the room's energy. What intrigues them? What are their reservations? Address them head on. Highlight successes, but also be candid about challenges and showcase your readiness to adapt and grow. Remember, it's a two-way street. You're evaluating them as potential partners just as much as they're evaluating you. Then comes the pitch, storytelling. Humans resonate with stories. We're hardwired that way. Your startup's journey, the hurdles, the triumphs, and the aspirations, those are the threads of your tale. Weave them seamlessly, giving life to the numbers and graphs. Let passion shine, but also let the narrative's authenticity speak. As a resource, I've attached Uber's pitch deck and a video that breaks down Uber's pitch deck down below. Definitely check it out. Moving on, let's dive into non-traditional ways of funding. Let's start with crowdfunding. This is where the collective power of individual contributions takes the helm. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo are lighthouses guiding this venture. The beauty? It's not just about money. It's validation, a litmus test proving that there's a demand for your vision. But tread with care. Success hinges on effective marketing, compelling rewards for backers, and impeccable communication. It's a stage, and the spotlight is on you. Yet, beyond the bustling crowds, there's the structured allure of government grants and incentives. These are golden geese, non-dilutive funds that you don't have to pay back. From research grants to incentives promoting innovation, the opportunities are abundant. However, the maze of paperwork and stringent criteria can be daunting. Approach with diligence, ensuring that every T is crossed and every I is dotted. Then there's strategic partnerships, which can be the wind beneath your wings. Collaborations, joint ventures, or alliances with established entities can open up doors to resources, markets, and yes, even funding. It's synergy, where the combined force propels both parties forward. But as with all relationships, it's vital to ensure shared goals and mutual respect. So as we venture forth, remember to keep an open mind. Each funding avenue, be it traditional or alternative, offers its own risk and rewards. Every entrepreneur's dream is to see their startup thrive, but the road to success is riddled with pitfalls. Knowledge, they say, is power. Being aware of the common mistakes in funding can be your shield against the unforeseen. Overvaluing your company too early is a pitfall that many stumble into. While optimism is the entrepreneur's fuel, unrealistic valuations can be a deterrent for potential investors. Investors seek a balance between risk and reward. If you set the bar too high initially, you may find that negotiations stall or end up falling apart. Remember, it's not just about the present value, but the potential growth and returns an investor envision. Equity is the lifeblood of a startup, and giving away too much too soon can be detrimental. Every % of equity you part with is a slice of your company's future worth. It's essential to strike a balance between the immediate need for funds and retaining control. Hold on to your vision, but be prepared for collaboration. Flexibility can be a game changer, but it should never come at the cost of losing sight of your startup's essence. Coincidentally, not having a clear financial plan can lead you astray. Investors want to see where their money's going, and more importantly, how it will grow. A well-established financial roadmap not only installs confidence in investors, but also gives you a clear path forward. It becomes the compass guiding your startup through turbulent times. But remember, mistakes are just stepping stones to success. In the world of startups, persistence and adaptability reign supreme. These twin pillars will guide you through the highs and lows of securing funding. Yet the heart of successful funding lies in building genuine relationships with potential investors. As you embark on this journey, remember that each interaction lays the foundation for your venture's future. As we close, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay golden, champs.